Hey, for the CircuitPython Parsec today, I wanted to talk about adjusting the scale of Displayio objects using the .scale property. What you see right here is a little OLED screen. I just have it vertically oriented. It's plugged into a Feather, RP2040 Feather over I2C. So it's a little I2C OLED. And I have a little emoji, emoticon, ASCII type. It's a colon and it's a parenthesis. I don't remember what we call those anymore, but it's a smiley face. And the way I'm creating that is using text. I have a text object called label here that's using the terminal.io font in a white, this is a black and white OLED, with a size that I've set, a position that I've set previously. So very similar to last week where we're moving these around. But right now, instead of moving around, I just want to adjust the size of it. Now, there are a couple of ways to do this with fonts. You may have multiple fonts. If it's bitmap, if it's terminal.io, it has built-in scaling. However, what I'm showing can work for a lot of different types of objects, including groups, I believe. And in this case, I'm just going to use it on that label, but this is something more than just fonts, so you know. To set the scale of it, I'm simply saying name of the object, text area, .scale equals, say 1, and there's the sort of default size. Let's make it 3 times bigger. I'll just simply say text area.scale equals 3. So this works with integers. There's not partial, decimal, fractional pieces of scaling. It's just an integer scaling. But it's nice and responsive. So if you take a look at, let's start this back out at 1, and I'm going to uncomment, or rather I'll comment this little pass so that we can now run through scale as we're moving around the screen. You can see on every sort of iteration of this little bounce thing, I'm going to bump that scale up, and we'll go up to, I think, scale 5 or 6 that I have on here. You can see this is I2C, so it's not super fast refresh, so it's starting to do a little bit of bouncy, sheary kind of stuff. But that is all done by simply iterating this text area.scale each time through, and then to make it smaller as we're going back, we're just going from 6 down, stopping at 1. So that is how you can adjust the size of a Displayio object inside of CircuitPython using the scale property. And that is your CircuitPython Parsec.